She got me like.
Alright guys, this is a fire alarm tour of my local Provigo or MAXI. There's a fire alarm VT12 in French, and there's a siren strobe with a beacon attached to metal. Right here we have a Simplex 2901 9722 bell. This is a 10-inch bell, and the outside has those bells too. But the upstairs, well, those bells are everywhere, except the last floor has 6-inch bells, and upstairs is green Gentex Commander trees, the green strobe ones and the white colored ones, and it's also a notifier panel, so try getting close up. So right here we got a wireless VT12. You can see it's polling, and there's a green Gentex Commander tree, and that is the notifier fire alarm panel, notifier by Honeywell. Alright, now you can see right there, there is another Gentex Commander tree with a green strobe and white. There's about 3 of them in the store, and I think that is pretty cool. Alright, you can see there we have another Simplex bell, the Simplex 2901 9722 with a ton of them. And you can see there's another Simplex bell out there that's very dusty. Although not on the bottom, not on the top, but look, that's a 10-inch and it's a 6-inch bell. I'm not sure what type of bell that is. It appears to be a Simplex, I think. There's also one down there. If you guys know, please tell me. It could be a Wheelock or a Simplex, but good. You can see I have another Simplex bell there. This is actually gonna be short because privacy reasons. I don't. As you can see near the exit, one of the exits, there is a blue siren strobe and exit sign, a beacon, and one of the sirens. That's pretty cool. There's also another one of the beacons up there. Really hard to see, but there's actually a French VT12 up there. Actually, I keep calling it a VT12, but Honeywell and a notifier one. So it says on. Alright, now my parents are paying. This is Gentex Commander tree. It's 1 inch before. That is a Gentex Commander tree with a green strobe. Pretty rare too. It's up there. We're heading down in the rain. I'll be showing you a step siren strobe combo and that Simplex bell and a Firelight Honeywell VT12. I don't know why I keep calling it Firelight. I'm too used to calling it that. Alright, so we have Simplex bell. A Simplex bell right there. To the video, you can see I went up from here and show you that Simplex bell. I'll show you a little bit closer. There's the bell itself. It is a Simplex bell. 2901 9722. These bells are very common to see in Canada. Now you can see that is the siren strobe combo. Now you got this extremely rare cool station. Very rare. And then the siren strobe combo. Pretty cool to see. Alright, you can see there is another Simplex bell and the Firelight VT12, Honeywell, and the siren strobe. That bell for some reason is cool. That's the end of this whole video.